Now that you have your Nature Lion mushroom kit at home, let's get it set up. First, open the box and take out the instructions. The optional humidity tent and clips, a spray bottle for misting. Now you are left with a mushroom grow bag containing mycelium. This is the starting point for the mushrooms you will be growing. Inspect the bag for contaminants. Mycelium is white, and colors like green or yellow can be a red flag. Take a sharp knife and cut an X in the bag that's 1 to 2 inches across. Now take your humidity tent and place the kit inside. Using the clips, fold the gussets neatly and clip the top of the bag on both sides. The center at the top of the tent will have a gap. This is needed for air exchange. This is very important. Do not seal the tent tightly. Next, fill your spray bottle with water and generously spray the sides of the tent. Spray the sides of the tent at least 3 times per day to keep the humidity high during sprouting. If you decide not to use the optional tent, spray the mushroom grow bag directly and keep the surface level humidity high. Follow the harvest instructions provided with your kit and watch the rest of our videos on YouTube for more information. Happy growing!